Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn more compound words, this time about things that are fiction. Let us begin our lesson with some example sentences. Did you hear that John resigned? Narinig mo ba na nag-resign si John? Did you hear? Narinig mo ba that na John, si John? Remember, when we refer to a person by name, we put si in front of the name. And resigned is simply nag-resign. That is just hearsay. Sabi-sabi lang yan. That, yan. Just, lang. And hearsay, sabi-sabi. That is just a made-up story. Gawa-gawa lang yan. Made-up story is gawa-gawa. In our example sentences, the words for hearsay, sabi-sabi, and made-up story, gawa-gawa, are example of compound words that we use when talking about something that is a fiction or just a made-up thing. We will now learn words for fiction, mga salita para sa kathang-isip. Words, mga salita. For, para sa, and fiction, kathang-isip. The word katha is actually something that you made up or created, and isip is mind, so created by the mind. And here are some words. Hearsay, sabi-sabi. Fabrication or made-up story is gawa-gawa. A barber's tale is kwentong barbero. So kwento is tale or story and barbero is barber. Fiction, kathang-isip. Imagination, guni-guni. Now let us use those new words in sentences. They say you will back out of the project. Sabi nila, aatras ka sa project. They, nila. Say, sabi. You, ka. Will back out, aatras. Of the, sa. That is just a barber's tale. Kwentong barbero lang yan. That, yan. Just, lang. Barber is barbero. Tale is kwento. So barber story, kwentong barbero. That is just a fiction. Kathang-isip lang yan. Fiction, kathang-isip. Let us look at some more examples. He said he saw you with Carol. Sabi niya, nakita ka niyang kasama ni Carol. He, niya. Said, sabi. Saw, nakita. You, ka. With Carol, kasama ni Carol. He just made that up. Gawa-gawa niya lang yan. Just, lang. That, yan. And made up, gawa-gawa. Was that just his imagination? Guni-guni lang ba niya yan? Imagination, guni-guni. Here are some more words for fiction or mga salita para sa kathang-isip. Talk of the town. Usap-usapan. This is what people are gossiping about, which may or may not be true, but until proven, it is also fiction. Same with whispers or murmurs. bulong-bulungan. Pretend joke, biru-biruan. And make-believe, kunya-kunyari. Let us look at some examples using those words. The mayor's case is the talk of the town. Usap-usapan ang kaso ng mayor. The, ang, case, kaso. The talk of the town. Usap-usapan. Mayor's case is kaso ng mayor. There are murmurs that an arrest is possible. May bulong-bulungan na posible ang aresto. There are may, murmurs, bulong-bulungan. That na an arrest, ang aresto, possible, posible. Let us look at some more examples. I heard you and Jane are getting to like each other. Balita ko, nagkakagustuhan kayo ni Jane. I heard, balita ko. You can also say, narinig ko, because heard is narinig. However, if you heard something from the grapevine, you can say, balita ko. You and Jane. Kayo ni Jane. Getting to like each other. Nagkakagustuhan. We are just joking. Nagbibiro-biroan lang kami. We, kami, just is lang, and joking or making pretend jokes, nagbibiro-biroan. It can start with pretend jokes. Pwedeng magsimula ito sa biro-biroan. Ito, can, pwede, start, magsimula, with, sa, pretend jokes, biro-biroan. Here is one last example. What are the children doing? Ano ang ginagawa ng mga bata? What, ano? Children, mga bata. Doing, ginagawa. They are playing superhero. Naglalaro sila ng superhero. They, sila. Playing, naglalaro. They are pretending to be superheroes. Kunya-kunyari sila na superheroes. Pretending, kunya-kunyari. Now, the word kunya-kunyari is commonly used to describe what children are pretending to be. That is our lesson today on Filipino compound words for things that are fictional. For your homework, here are some sentences that you can translate. Be careful of hearsay. The story is a fiction. The murmurs are loud. Have fun translating all of this into Filipino sentences. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!